everybody, welcome to Adorable Kitchen. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is called plantain egg frittata, also called plantain egg pizza. This is good for breakfast and your kids will love this. To prepare this, you will need eggs, bell pepper, green and red bell pepper. You need tomatoes, 2 fresh tomatoes. You need habanero pepper. You can also use ground pepper. This is peas and plantain. You need salt, oil for frying, curry, thyme, seasoning powder. I went ahead, I sliced the plantain into circle shapes. Sprinkle some salt, fry in hot oil, fry until golden brown, flip to the other side and set aside. Slice the vegetables, the tomatoes, the onions and the pepper, then crack up the egg, add some salt and beat. In another pan, I sauteed the onions and the tomatoes. I added some seasoning, some curry, thyme and salt. After about 1 minute, I transferred this into the eggs. I mixed everything together. Now to the final step, rub some oil on the surface of the pan. It's best to use a non-sticky pan. Turn down the heat to the lowest. Next, pour in the mixture. Line up the fried plantain on top of this. You can freestyle at this stage. You can do whatever design you like. After adding up the plantains, add the vegetables. After adding in all the vegetables, cover it and cook on a very low heat for like 15 to 20 minutes. I went in with my spatula just to let the ones on top sink inside. Cover and continue cooking. Allow it to cake, and when you see that it is all formed, then it is ready. So it is ready. It's time to dig in. Everybody bring your plate. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to this channel, and to my potential subscribers, please and please click on the red subscribe button and you are subscribed. This is just to let you see whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. I really appreciate your time. Bye. Like, comment and share, and have a nice day. Bye bye.